Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel WordPress Builder. I am Muhammad Omar Farooq with you. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can create this type of glass effect and when you hover, beautiful flip card. So if you want to learn how you can create this type of glass effect and beautiful flip card, you need to watch full tutorial. So let's start the video. I am using Elementor Pro and this is totally blank page. So click on add new section, choose 3 column and set the height minimum height. Click on VH and set the VH 100. Now go to style, click on background type classic, choose color. I am choosing this color. Now click on this cubic menu and drag and drop image wizard. Now choose your image. I am choosing this image. Click on insert media. Now click on advanced. Scroll down. Click on custom CSS. Now it's time to use some custom CSS code. Don't worry. I share all the custom CSS code into my Google Drive. You just download and paste it to your own website. So this is our custom CSS code. At first, I add glass reflection effect. To add glass reflection effect, just copy this custom CSS code and paste it here. Beautiful glass reflection effect added successfully. So now it's time to flip card. To add flip card, just copy this custom CSS code and paste it here. So looking so cool and work perfectly. So if you make it more curved, you just set it 30 to 50. Now it's more curved but not looking so good, so I just make it same 30. Don't forget to update this green button. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, please drop a comment in comment section.